Hey there, Tribers. My name is Lisa McGarrett, and this is my karate school, Bushido Karate Dojo in Casco, Maine. And I am here to tell you that Tribe is changing the way that we are able to reach our students. It's always been our goal to make our students stronger, to make them safer, and to make them smarter. And can you make them stronger, safer, and smarter? Well, that's what we're going to do because with our online membership, it's going to give us the opportunity to take our satellite programs, which we already teach, and those programs can be half an hour or 45 minutes away from this home dojo because I teach after-school kids karate at elementary schools. But the biggest problem that I face is that those students don't come to me. I've taught for 20 years, and in that time, only 10 to 15% of my students have been able to get here to the home dojo. But every single one of the black belts who stands in line beside me when we line up, every single one of them took multiple classes per week consistently over a long period of time. And now there's no excuse. There's no excuse for an online membership as a part of our karate school. There's no excuse for our students not to be able to do multiple classes per week. And I think that's going to bring us into the future with more high quality black belts that can make the world a stronger, safer, and smarter place. So thank you, Tribe, and thank you, Stu, and I can't wait to see where it all goes.